Hey everybody, welcome back to a Dapper Day. Hope everybody's having a good one. Um, as you can see today, middle of May, the market is kind of pumping. Ether's trying to get back, doing something. Bitcoin is at around 105, close to the top, so it's looking pretty good. Like in BNB. Today we're gonna be looking into a project on the Supra blockchain. I think I've done a video on Supra in the past. Oh man, the price of Supra today is not doing the best, but I'm gonna show you guys how to get on the chain, see what's going on over there. As far as the price goes, I've noticed around like the 20th of every month, the price starts to go down. I'm thinking it has a lot to do with the dilution, like people getting paid every month. Price is going down. It's been trending down. This is a VC backed token. Not saying it's a bad token, but because that doesn't mean it's bad. But this is a serious project. They have a lot going on. Blockchain, a layer one. So we're gonna do something on the layer one today. I'm gonna take a look at this project, Solido Money. So it's supercharging DeFi on the Super blockchain. Now, what are we doing? What is this? It seems like they have a stable coin. So they're creating a stable coin on the Super blockchain called Cash. You can deposit Supra into the protocol, earn a 15% fee or APR, not fee. Boosted Solido points. So this means that they're coming with some type of airdrop if you participate in this protocol, and you can basically mint the stablecoin as well. So it's a pretty small project, not too many people here. Seems like these are the guys from, that super ecosystem. These are some Dexes, NFT project and all. So small project, definitely something you guys should be looking at if you're holding Supra, right? Obviously, a lot of people seem to not be holding Supra. I have some Supra. Yes, so this platform gives us a way to leverage that Supra that we have in our wallet. So, just running through the Twitter, showing you guys stuff. It seems pretty cool. Cash. Let's go to the website. It's a pretty quick video. I just want to run through this part because for people who don't know how to basically stake and then borrow, this is going to be an interesting video for you guys right here. You say Solido Cash is live. Borrow cash using Supra. So we'll launch the dApp. I think once I get in here, things start to make sense. Okay, here we're inside the Cashtag now. The wallet's connected. So you're gonna need some Supra. It says here, need cash, use Supra to get an instant line of credit, earn 15% on the Supra, and then you earn points per day, 2 points per day. So what we're looking to do here is we're looking to get some Solido points, and we're looking to get some yield on our Supra, and we're gonna mint some cash and add some liquidity to Dexlyn. So we're gonna go through this full flow here. Show you guys how it goes. Why are we doing that? Because once we deposit, if we deposit Supra, yeah, we get exposure to airdrop, but we take it to the next step, mint cash, then we get more exposure to the airdrop. And then if we add liquidity to Dexlyn, cash, super liquidity, we get even more fees. I mean, even more points. So we're stacking up points. This platform has about 500,000 in here, small, which is not bad for like how small the platform is on Twitter. It's pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna jump in now. So it's saying a super trove. I guess another word for trove is just a vault. right? This is where you're gonna stake your Supra. Um, so let's go through the process here. So ask me how much Supra I want to stake. I'll do 25% just to get the number. Do a small amount for the video. $150. Well, I'll do more since I'm here. Yeah, about $200. Okay, so I'm gonna stake $200 worth of Supra, and I'm gonna mint cash. Okay, and then I get $200. So I guess they're giving me about 50% of what I owe. Let's see. Let's go. Oh, okay. It's asked me how much cash I want to mint. I guess I have to mint some. 25%. My loan to value ratio is 13%. That's good. My liquidation price is 1 cent. So if Supra gets to this price, then they're gonna take the Supra, and I'll be left with the cash, which is just $23. So I'll be down a lot. If you see, I'm putting $200 worth of assets in here. So that's cool to know. On the borrowed amount, it's telling me how much I'm borrowing, the reserve, and the fee. Okay, this is pretty cool breakdown. Just so you guys understand what I'm doing, once again, I'm staking Supra, which I'm going to be earning a yield on, and I'm going to be able to take out a loan against that Supra. $23. And I guess I'll have more that I can maybe come back and get if I want to. But then my ratio will go up. My liquidation price will probably get closer. These numbers will adjust. But all right, let's go for it. This is kind of low risk. Taking out 10% of what I put in. Super low risk. So let's go for that. Okay. So I'm just confirming this transaction. It's open successfully. This is another thing I like about Supra. Very fast chain. Very nice. Just refresh there. Okay. So here now I'm in my. This is basically the details of the trove that I opened. So I have this. I have the cash here. That's how much debt I have. It's showing me my collateral. This is what I have available. So I can take out more, like I said, which is cool. I like that. Right, giving me all my stuff, telling me it's good. This green mark is telling me everything is good, nothing to worry about. I guess I can deposit more collateral though here if I wanted to, and borrow more cash if I wanted to, which is cool. I kind of do want to do that, but I'll maybe do that later. For now, I want to do the next step, which would be adding liquidity to Dexlyn. So now that I have the cash, I should have this cash in my wallet. I'm gonna go back to this dashboard, and I've already deposited the Supra. I've already minted the cash, so I'm gonna hit add liquidity now. Now I'm on Dexlyn. Nice. Here's the LP cash Supra. Has $81,000 in it. Not many people. 15% APR. So I'm gonna hit add liquidity. It shows all the cash I have. So I'm just gonna deposit all the cash. Okay, I have to add it manually. So I'm gonna do 23. It suggests that I put $25 worth of Supra in. Cool, I'll do that. Gonna come back, add more, because I guess the more you put in, the more points you get. Remember, we're trying to get Solido points, which will be an airdrop on Supra. We're interacting with this protocol. I'm holding Supra. Of course, I've sold a lot of Supra into stable coins. I preferably sell into here. But I'm holding some. I'm waiting for the price to bottom out, see what we can do from there. Really like the ecosystem. And yeah, I think we should be doing well soon. Just to switch over to the cash super pool. This is what I just clicked my pools. I'm connected. It's showing me my APR. Tell me how much LPs I have. So right now I'm in the pool. Okay. I think everything is good here. I basically went through the whole flow, so now I should be definitely qualifying for more Solido points. See details. Okay, so this is how I get back to here. Click on mint cash, and then I guess you go to see details. Okay, so I guess you just operate from one trove, right? And you just are able to add liquidity and take more cash out. I don't really see a way to open another trove or have a separate one, but hopefully that made sense. Um, Pretty clear. This is a basic like banking behavior, using an asset, putting it up as collateral, borrowing against it. The adding liquidity part is definitely DeFi. That's the DeFi element. But that's what makes DeFi so amazing. Is like we're able to take traditional banking behaviors and technologies, and then add on like other elements that no one's ever thought of, right? And now I'm able to earn APR in two different ways. I'm able to earn APR because I stake my Supra, and then I'm also able to earn APR because I added liquidity to the cash Supra LP. And while I'm doing that, I'm also getting Solido points. So this is a good way to leverage an asset to make money and qualify for airdrops, to make more money in the future. So I hope this all made sense. Thank you guys for tapping in, and I just hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I haven't made videos in a while. Try to get more active for sure. Um, like I said, just been watching the space. Just been paying attention to technology, science, all these things. I've been using a lot of AI tools as well. But I'm gonna get back to working towards this channel, creating content, putting out some products I've been working on in the background, for this channel. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks.